In this video, I'm going to show you how to trade on DXtrade. So there's actually a few different ways you can approach this. You can do it here on this standard loadout where you can see your watch list, your chart, time and sales, market depth, etc. And on here, you basically just have to look for the chart over here, which should be by default here in the middle. And you can just click on the buy or sell button up here, and then you can select which one you want to do, the symbol you actually want to trade, so you can just type that in, and then the order type, which can be market, limit, stop, or OCO, and then here of course the amount of lots you would like to either buy or sell, and then click on send order. So whenever you do that, that's all you have to do. Now if you are on the trade section up here on this trade loadout, of course you'll be able to see the chart as well. However, you'll also see you have a bunch of different options over here. So there's going to be the watch list, and on that watch list you'll be able to directly buy and sell. So you could go ahead and do the exact same thing over here. A new order window will open, and you can just use this to actually create a new order. Now of course on the charts it's going to be exactly the same thing. You can just click on either buy or sell, and then this pop-up will open up and you can go ahead and start trading, buying and selling. Okay, so that's how you do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.